Snowbird on March 22nd, I think.
In a desert, you're standing, a silhouette, emotion. In a desert, you're standing, a silhouette, emotion. On the lonely afternoons in June, I need you. Just like raindrops, you feel the good on my lips. Just like raindrops, even though you're a million miles away. Just like raindrops. Just like raindrops. Just like raindrops. Just like raindrops, you feel just like raindrops, even though you're a million miles away. Just like raindrops,
It's cool what's going on out here in the skiing, this whole skiing thing that's happening here on the snow. It's really cool. It's fun. Really solid fun. Good fun for everyone.